Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. For sale today, this 2022 Ford F-350 XL four-wheel drive utility bed truck. Beautiful condition, really nice mileage on it. Go ahead and take a quick look here. We'll give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape, super clean, amazing condition, ready to go to work. Really great shape. It's an extra cab, a lot of room there. It's got the running boards on it. Looks amazing with the 4x4. All right, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks super clean. Very nice shape, beautiful condition. Does have some scratches here, nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Headlamp on the passenger side looks amazing. Take a close look. Beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition. Really nice. Headlamp on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Take a look at the hood. Paint's in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Super, super clean. Look at that. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side, amazing shape. Beautiful condition. Let's take a close look here. Really nice condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door is in amazing condition. Look at that. Super nice. Quick look at the mirrors. Heated mirrors. Super nice. Great shape. Glass. Rear door. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the bed in the back here. Really nice shape. Super, super clean. Looks good. Okay, has a couple little chips here in this area here. Besides that, looks good. All right, let's take a look at the box on this side. Looks good. Doors are in great shape. Really nice condition. Ladder rack on top. Look at that. Beautiful condition. All right, rear bumper's in good shape. It's got a dent right here, nothing major. It's got the plugs here for towing. Really nice, easy to get in and out. Great shape on the interior here. It's got the racks there for the ladders. It's got your hitch back here already set up for towing. Really nice. All right, taking a look at the box on the passenger side. Looks good. Super nice condition. Really great shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Does have a couple little chips here and there. Nothing major. Looks good overall. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Very nice. Extra cab, better than a regular cab. A little more space. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Mirror's in great shape. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front fender. Front fender on the passenger side looks good. Windshield's in great shape. Clean throughout. Don't see any chips or anything on it. Looks super nice. Looks brand new. Take a look at the lights up there. Great condition. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Super nice condition. Really great shape. All right, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. 2022 Ford F-350 4x4 extra cab, beautiful condition. Stay tuned, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, very nice. Look at the armrest, beautiful condition. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Look at that, very nice. Rear door panel for the extra cab, beautiful condition. Take a look, power window for the rear passenger. Armrest is in great shape, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Look at that, super clean. Really nice condition, look at that. Rubber floors are in amazing shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the rear. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Take a close look. Really amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Rubber floors are in amazing condition. Very nice. This one has a little power plug here, check it out. 12 volts right there. It's got a center console that folds down here if you don't need the 6 passengers. Let's go ahead and bring that down if you can see it. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Really nice. A little bit of storage in there. Nice feature. Really amazing shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Armrest is in great condition. Power windows, power locks. A little bit of storage on the door. Very nice. Let's take a look at the other door for the extra cab. It's got a controller for the power window. Super nice. A little bit of storage on the bottom. Seats 6 passengers. Seats are in beautiful condition. Rugs are clean. Rubber mats are clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition on the seats. Rubber floors are in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rear seats brand new. Doesn't look even satin. Look at that. Amazing condition. Let's look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're all set to start this baby up. Check this out. This one has 2 keys. 2 sets of keys, which is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up here. Put the key in. Turn it on. Let's go. It starts right up. Perfect. No issues at all. A little bit low on fuel here. But let's take a look at the mileage. Mileage is 56,321 miles. Cluster's in beautiful condition. Miles per hour. Temperature gauge. Fuel gauge. Super nice. All right, taking a look at the miles per hour. It's got a little information center there. We can scan through that. 18 miles till empty. Super nice. Let's leave it on that. Okay, so we have our power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Control for the lights. Very nice. This is the control for the information center we just used. Cruise control on this one. Control for the radio. It's got volume control and everything there to change the channels. You got Bluetooth on this one. It also has controls there for the Bluetooth. It's got the drive mode. You can set up the drive mode. Normal drive mode, tow haul, econo, slippery, deep sand, 4x4. Look at that. We're gonna put it back on normal. Super nice. So this does have 4-wheel drive. We're gonna test it out in a moment. Take a look here. We're looking at the radio now. Super nice. Really nice screen here. It's got Bluetooth on it. Connect your media on that. Bluetooth for your phone. Super nice. And regular radio. These are the controls for the radios here. Traction control up there. Control for the 4-wheel drive. Control for the towing. AC controls. It's got 110 plug here and a 12 volt, which is super nice. You want to plug in your laptop or something while you're working. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Amazing shape. Super clean. Look at that. Really nice condition. Up above here, we have accessories here, switches. You can set that up for accessories. Courtesy lights. Let's check out the visors. Visors are in great shape. That one has a mirror. This one does not. Super nice condition. Seats are in great shape. Look at that. This one comes down, actually gives you a center console here if you want. It's got a power plug here for 12 volts, and it also has a USB there. Super nice. Really great condition. Amazing shape all the way through. All right, that's pretty much the interior on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a little bit. We'll be right back. Okay, one thing we didn't show you in the test drive video is the 4x4 functioning. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on 4x4 high. So it shifts in process right there. It's on 4x4 high, so let's go ahead and drive it real quick here. And you just go in a circle. You can feel the torque in the front. That's normal. That lets you know the 4x4 is functioning. Yeah, you can really feel it. A lot of torque. Okay, 4x4 high. Then the 4x4 low, you've got to put it in neutral. I just popped it in neutral. Now we're going to put 4x4 low. There you go. 4x4 low's on right there. And the traction control is off as soon as you turn that on. So now let's go ahead and check put it in gear. Let's go ahead and check the 4x4 low. Yeah, you can feel it. When you accelerate, a lot of power coming from the front. Super nice. A lot of power. Okay, that's pretty much it. So we just did our 4x4 check there. Working fantastic. So now let's go ahead and shift it back into neutral here. Get it back into two-wheel drive. Then it's shifting. There it is. Traction control turns on automatically. Fantastic. Another feature this one has, which it's a work truck and everything, but it does have backup camera. Look at that. Really nice. It's got a backup camera on this one. It's a nice feature. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the cargo area. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. Now that screen right there is working fine. The thing is, in the camera, it refreshes. That's why you see it flicker like that. But the screen does not flicker. Let me show you. Take a closer look there. See that? It doesn't flicker when you look close up with the camera. Drives really nice. A lot of power. Feels super smooth. Really nice drive. Drives amazing. That's going to conclude our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment, take a look at the tires, and the utility bed in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the doors on this box. Super nice condition. Take a look. Really great shape. It's got those trays in there to store your stuff. Super nice. Look at this one. Beautiful condition. Very nice. All right, take a look at the last one here in the back. Amazing condition. This is on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and do the other side now, the passenger side. Let's open her up. Really amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Let's take a look at this one. Beautiful shape also on this one. Super clean. And the front one here. Looks really nice. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick scan here. It looks good. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Really great condition. Just put on a new battery. Just replaced the battery on this one. Really great condition. We're taking a close look here. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, good amount of tread on there. It looks good. It's a Cooper tire. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, good amount of tread on there. It looks very nice. Cooper tire, beautiful condition. Look at the tire tread on it. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Good amount of tread on there. It looks clean. Cooper tire, very nice. Rim is clean, in good shape, no more wear and tear for the age. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here in the front. Look at that. Passenger side. Looks really nice. Great condition on that tire. Cooper tire. Rim's in great shape, no more wear and tear for the age. Beautiful condition. Very nice condition overall. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Ford F-350 XL utility truck 4x4. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.